For nearly 2 decades, Lone Star Analysis has provided applied decision intelligence and engineering solutions to help organizations improve confidence and reduce uncertainty for critical business decisions. We harness predictive and prescriptive analytics and evolved artificial intelligence to deliver analytic software and solutions across numerous industries. Now, Lone Star has developed MaxUp Manufacturing's rotary screw compressor asset management software. Our RSC software enables you to better optimize your compressor performance and maximize asset uptime while reducing maintenance and utility costs. Enabled by Lone Star's powerful predictive and prescriptive software, we provide critical management by exception dashboards accessible via a secure cloud interface. Lone Star's RSC software is OEM agnostic, providing a single, powerful analytics solution to optimize all of your RSC assets across your entire organization, reducing investment and greatly improving return. As critical issues arise in assets, MaxUp Manufacturing RSC software predicts failures, alerts current issues, and prescribes actions to immediately adjust asset operation and prevent further damage while optimizing costs. In this example, the rotary screw compressor experiences pressure building in the oil separator. Lone Star's RSC software predicts when the pressure will reach a critical point and alerts the user to the high pressure drop across the separator. The operations, maintenance, and performance dashboards enable the user to investigate the issue quickly and efficiently at a deeper level. If the oil separator were to go unchecked, the pressure would exceed the design limitations, and the oil separator would likely suffer catastrophic failure. This would result in the asset being turned off, requiring the oil separator to be replaced and disrupting critical processes until the asset is returned to its normal operation. In this example, we look at our RSC software's ability to analyze a customer's asset that previously lacked any analytics. From the start, we can instantly visualize that the asset is drawing an excessive amount of current. This excess in current results in the motor temperature increasing to a critical level, which dramatically reduces the effective life of the motor. The high current draw also contributes to the client experiencing higher than expected monthly operating costs. With our RSC Asset Management software, the client would have immediately identified the severe current draw, resulting in an estimated electricity savings of $65,000 to $80,000 annually, while prolonging the asset's useful life by 50 to 100%. Without requiring new sensors or hardware, our software as a service creates value from your asset's data to optimize RSC operational performance and maximize uptime while reducing maintenance and utility costs. To learn how Lone Star software can help you achieve higher returns on RSC assets, visit our website at lone-star.com/RSC and request a demo of MaxUp Manufacturing RSC Asset Management software.